Hello and welcome. Today we've got this DCS391 Dewalt saw with a fully charged battery in it, and it is not going. To show you what's wrong with this, we need to get right into it, and we need to remove these screws. These four long ones here just. That should lift straight off. You can see how far down the brushes are in this thing. I'm willing to bet if we did a brush change, we would have a fully functional saw again. The right way to fix this is to replace this whole housing, like this one here. But what you have to do to remove that housing and replace it, you have to take that whole thing apart, and you can't get access to remove that from this side. You have to open all this here and take it down. I've done it before, it's not that bad, but I'm going to show you a quicker, hackier, easier fix how to do it. What we're going to do on this instance is put these brushes in, solder them onto this original housing and remove the old ones. This works out cheaper because these are less than half the price of the full housing. Get down to business and get the old brushes out first. Let's see, that's stuck rightly in there. There it is. Oh, it broke off. That's not good. There we are. That's one out, anyway. This is sort of a aftermarket. You don't get these brushes separate like this from Dewalt, as far as I know. I think it's sort of an aftermarket thing that somebody does, which is, you know, good if you want a shortcut like me and want to save money, because that's what this channel's all about, saving a few bob here and there, showing you how you can do it. That's one down. These are really stuck in there. There we are. That's not all of it. See, the rest of it poked out. That's bad. The brushes came out in butts. They're in bad shape, no doubt about it. We definitely needed them. Yeah, that's number 2. That's 3. One more to go. Well, that's the 4 soldered on now. The 4 aftermarket brushes. That's where I got them. Top deals online. They're on eBay, or you can probably go onto their own website. That won't win any beauty contests, but it'll do the job, I would say. What I'll do is just set the lid back on again without any further ado. See if we can get this bad boy running. I'm going to slam on a battery, see how the fix has done for us. That's perfect. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other videos. I'm going to link another video, the correct way to fix this. I've done that previously a couple of months ago. Just click on that if you want to see that.